local area emergency has been requested by the local authorities. An unknown mammal is in the area you are currently in. Please be aware that the animal is really intelligent and is smarter. This animal has not been identified. It is unknown where it is, but it is in the county. Please hide, and if you see this animal, then we are sorry to inform you that it may be too late as this animal has killed 90 people in the county. So stay inside and don't let anyone in your home. Lock your doors and windows and stay put.